You never know who you're going to run into at the Rolex 24 of Daytona. I'm here with Mariano, Partnerships Manager at STEM Racing, US and Canada. First time visitor to Daytona for the 24 hours. How's your experience been so far?
That's right. Yeah, I mean, it's been amazing. It's my first time in IMSA. And yeah, I just love it. It's a very purist environment. I love the cars, the people walking around all the teams. So yeah, it's definitely amazing. I enjoyed it a lot. Obviously, it was a long race, very hot in daytime, very cold at nighttime. So yeah, I mean, it was amazing. I enjoyed it a lot.
Yeah, unusually cold here in Daytona this weekend. You've spent a lot of time around F1. How's the experience been being so close to the action for IMSA?
Yeah, I mean, definitely very different. Formula One is a different environment where obviously the teams keep a lot of things behind closed doors because they're developing a lot of new technology. So obviously you're not that close to the action. So yeah, I mean, definitely it's a different experience. And I love seeing how a lot of drivers here are great drivers, former Formula One drivers, champions in different categories. So it's amazing to have the opportunity to be with them, like super close to them.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
So I love the perspective there. But really, the reason we stopped to talk, will you tell us a little bit about the STEM Racing?
Sure, yeah. STEM Racing, US and Canada is a STEM challenge. It's visually supported by Formula One. We've been around for 25 years now. So yeah, definitely we're trying to revolutionize the industry, prepare the next STEM leaders. And yeah, I mean, in general, it's a very versatile challenge aimed for students aged 9 to 19, where they have to develop scale Formula One team based out of 3 to 6 members. So yeah, it's definitely very complete. It's quite a challenge, but we've been growing lately, and I'm just happy to see a lot of very, very talented kids getting those hours in and yeah, getting good opportunities for them.
Yeah, you can tell the energy here. Everyone's trying to figure out how they can get involved in the world of motorsports. You've got an awesome program. You've also got a national championship coming up. Where's that happening? When's it happening?
Yes, sir. It's happening the second week of April 7th to 9th. In Charlotte, North Carolina, in the Hilton Charlotte Airport. We'll see, obviously, the national champions crowned, and the top 3 will be attending to the coming World Finals. We don't know where will they be, but maybe Singapore or Saudi Arabia.
Wow.
Last year, it was Saudi Arabia, so yeah, it's a great prize for them. Obviously, world champions get access to scholarships in UCL in London, so yeah. I mean, it's a great platform for students that want to work in motorsport. STEM Racing gives you a very, very good platform to develop in engineering, but also in marketing, project management. So yeah, it's basically down to them. Yeah, we're just happy to be one step along the way for them.
Yeah, you've obviously been playing a great supporting role. How can people follow along with the national championship happening? And if they're interested in becoming a part of this, whether they're 9 to 19 or a parent of someone that is, how can they follow along?
Sure, they can follow us on Instagram. You can find us at STEM Racing USA, or also the website, which is stemracing.us. There you can find all the relevant information. And yeah, as you say, we have nationals coming up in April. We don't have any open spots for that competition because the competition season started back in July 2024. But the competition season this year will open in July with the school year, and we can have a lot of new teams being affiliated and competing with us for the upcoming season.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Thanks, Mariano. Thanks for taking the time to talk to us. Be sure to follow STEM Racing. For Visionary Streetworks, I'm Ryan White. Thanks for watching.